Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is cherish. Cherish is a verb that means to love, value, or protect someone or something deeply, often because it has strong emotional, personal, or lasting importance. For example, she cherished the letters her grandfather had written during college and kept them carefully stored in a box beside her bed. He cherishes the quiet mornings he spends with his daughter before work because that private time together matters deeply. The town cherishes its historic theater, preserving the building because residents see it as an important part of their shared identity. Synonyms for cherish include treasure, value, prize, adore, and hold dear. Cherish is often used for relationships, memories, possessions, and traditions, and it emphasizes deep emotional value and care, not simply liking something. That's cherish. One word, stronger English.